Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Tomcat Stitchery. I'm Whitney and I am here today with another Sunday Sew Along. We're going through in the month of July some of my greatest tutorial hits and I'm just kind of grouping them to a few of the more popular ones are the ones I get most questions on in a few different videos. So today we are going to be grouping together all of my tutorials on pockets. I get questions about those, whether they be welt pockets, patch pockets, whatever. I have quite a few tutorials already on the channel, so I am linking all of those in the description box down below. As a reminder, the description box is just right below the title of the video. There's a couple of lines of text. You just hit the little show more 3 dots. Sometimes it's an arrow. It's different depending on the type of device you're on. Click on that. It drops all the information down with all the links that I talk about. I mean, links for what I'm wearing, for, all sorts of, pretty much anything you have a question about on the video are down in the description box. I spend a lot of time collecting links and putting stuff into those description boxes. But I've linked all of my pocket tutorials right there for you, so you can easily just click on those and they'll take you to the YouTube video where I talk about that particular pocket tutorial. So hopefully this is a great way to kind of pool all these together so you have one video you can reference when you're making something and you can't remember how to do a certain pocket technique. Hopefully that will be helpful for you. And also just bring to the surface some of the older tutorials that I've already done and giving some new life to those as well. So as always, have any questions at all, leave those down in the comments. I will get to those as soon as possible. Other than that, I hope you have a wonderful Sunday, that you are getting some sewing done, and I will see you again on Tuesday. Have a good one. Bye.